Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click create, videos, landscape video, go to uploads, and after uploading your image, let's drag it to the timeline, adjust the size, go to elements and type 3D GPS icon, graphics, choose any element you want. Let's use this one. Place it in the points that you want. And let's clear this text and go to shapes, lines, and choose this line and place it between these icons. Go to stroke style, increase the width and choose rounded end points and change the color to any color you want. Go to line type, curved, and you can adjust the line as you want. Go to layers and try to make the line in the bottom. Let's adjust the duration of all the elements. Click in this one and let's adjust a little bit the duration, make it appear from here and animate with pop. Choose on enter and decrease a little bit the speed. Click on the line and animate with wipe on enter, decrease a little bit the speed and make the line appear after the first icon and make the last one appear exactly here when the line reach this point. And animate with pop as well. Decrease a little bit the speed. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.